Hello everybody, Jack Rocknroll Amps. I've had the good fortune to have this beautiful Champ amp, roughly a 65 I would say. I forgot to take a look at that detail when I was inside it, but it's probably around 65. It's been recapped, got no new tubes. The tubes were all good that were in there. I'm going to use this Parts Telecaster. Pickups are by Tone Master, Bobby Popper at Tone Master. Okay, so we're going straight into the pedal board. Pedal board is feeding the Champ. Champ is feeding a Marshall cabinet on the other side of the room. The only reason being is I do not like the speaker that's in there. I love Celestion speakers, I really do, but this 8-inch speaker that's in this amp just doesn't do me. So anyway, currently inside the Marshall cabinet are two Celestion G12-65s, English. Here's the clean sound. It's being mic'd by a Shure SM57. So here's the clean. You can see I'm set to, it's actually a little over 3 because the knob is off. Okay, so here's the clean sound, neck pickup. Bridge pickup. Alright, so let's keep working the clean sound. I'm going to bring it up to about 5. Clean sound, neck pickup. Bridge pickup. Okay, let's make it louder. It's on about 5, maybe a little bit more treble. Let's crank it a little more. Okay. Not so bad on the bridge pickup. Let me see what happens if I dump the bass. off and give it some overdrive with a pedal. How about a Kiwi Blues Distorter? Not bad. Let's try an SD1. We bring down a tone. More better. Okay, let's try a Toneless Deluxe. Try a JHS Morning Glory. Alright, how about a Silk Tone Overdrive? Okay, and last but not least, let's try a Noble's ODR 1. Sounds pretty good. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. Bye.